I don't know. It doesn't really say we're live. There we go. Hello everyone. Welcome on in. We're going to be doing some programming today, a little project that I've had kicking around in my head. The music you're hearing in the background is from Twitch TV here, the little free music listening channel from Twitch. I've got it on the background, low quality, that kind of thing. You can find that link down in my channel page there. I've got the little icon. You just click on it and the link goes to the page. And that should be exactly what I'm listening to. So, we're going to start in. I already created the project, so we don't have to do that. But I haven't done anything groundbreaking. We have two C# scripts, though I think I'm probably going to get rid of that one. That one was not what I wanted. Just playing around with some stuff. So, I've never done WPF before, and if you want to know what WPF is, this here is WPF. And I figured this would be a good time to just kind of fiddle around with it, see what I can do, and play with some extra stuff. You know, something interesting like that. Unlike the last time that I did programming on the channel, I don't really have an end goal. I've got a vague direction that I want to go, and then I have sort of points I want to hit along the way. But how I get there, who knows? We'll figure it out as we go. So, as you can see here, we've got a class. This is going to be sort of a genetics programming example, like I did last time. But this was going to be more in-depth than my last one. Less tutorial, more playing with the systems themselves. So, with our life form here, we have an int for age, we have a bool to see if it's female or not, and we have a list of genes, which we're going to be doing as a char array, basically. And there's going to be four, well, there's going to be as many as you want, actually. But in my version, there's going to be 4 chars that list the genes. So sort of like, exactly like our DNA. We're also going to need something to tell if we can just use a bool, I suppose. We can change that later if we need to. There we go. We don't need to know if it's a child because we have the age. We might change the age to a double, though. Sorry if I'm spacing out and not talking, guys. It's just I am planning things out in my head. Feel free to enjoy the background music as I do this. Yeah, I think all we need now is the get set stuff. There we go. Excellent. must begin with uppercase, really? Oh well, they can fool with that all they want. Let's see. Now we actually do need the spawner class. There we go. Spawner's going to take in a life form. Oop. Maybe I did want it the other way. How do I want to do this? Well, we return a life form, so let's do that. I think we should probably do something like this, actually. There we go. That's what I'm looking for. I know you can do this. Nope, nope, too far. I guess we can just do it like this. Oh, I don't have a constructor. That's right. Silly me. I swear I know how to program. I promise. Hmm. Ah, that's my problem. All right. There we go. That should help. No? I shouldn't have to make these. Well then, I guess I'll just make all of these public. So that doesn't really make sense. Oh, I guess it's using it, right? Huh. I guess I just had a different idea in my head. Oh, whatever. As long as it's using it correctly. Let's see. We're going to be doing this. Equals. I believe C# has a built-in random generator. Alright, there is one. So we can do new, random, next. Nope, that's the wrong one. There we go. 0, 1. We should be able to change the 0, 1 to a bool, but I guess we have to make a temporary integer. So we can do this. I love this var. Nope, it's not gonna like that. Alright, that's cool. Not gonna do it. Alright, that means we need an if statement. Which means we need to take this again, get rid of this. We should be able to do this is the syntax. One. True. True. Nope, I had it right the first time. False. That is incorrect. That needs to go there. Excellent. Whoop. There we go. And then this just is a true false based on the random number generator. That's all that is. So we can change, if we take this and we go up to, we can take any number up to 9, and that will be the percentage plus 1. So if we did 4, it would be 50% to be false, which would mean that they were male and not female. Which I can probably put right here. See, percent chance to be male can be determined by max range. There we go. And then anyone can come in here and play with that. I might add a something, make that a variable, but I'll probably do that with an overloaded operator, not with this one. So you have a 50% chance of being a male, female. Right. Be a 20%. Oh, numbers. Numbers. I don't know. I can get back in here and figure that if I need to, but what is pregnant equals false. And that's it, right? Nope, we need the gene list. Oh, goody. That one's gonna be fun. Alright, we can do this. And then we can paste this. I just need to get rid of that. And then we go that up to 3. Open, please. Thank you. Case 0. Oh, okay. Just because I'm not going to do that. New life. Dot. Gene list equals no, what we want is char list 1 equals, nope, that's the wrong one. I need that. A A Doesn't like that, huh? New. New array. There we go. I know, I'm creating it. Really? No. Yeah, that's correct. See. I did do it wrong. Whoopsie, that is my fault. So this is going to be a char array list 1. There we go, that likes it. No, I was right. That should be fine. It is. What did I do wrong? I bet I put the number in it. I bet that's what I did wrong. That would make sense. Alright. We just got a delivery, I believe. Alright, it's just... nothing's wrong, just this being dumb. Case 1. And then we're going to want this. So this is going to be list 2. And these are all going to be B's. We will obviously make this a little more interesting. Once we get into it here. But there's really no need to... oop, crap. And then we need C's. Oh, wait, no, it's... Let's make this correct, yeah? Amine, guanine, thymine. I think C is one. Yeah, A, T, G, and C. I was correct. So these will all be T. These would be G. Ooh. I'm glad I stopped that. I'm thinking I've got a better idea for this. And then we can have random on each of the new ones. But that means we're going to have to change this whole thing. So delete that. And then we're going to want a for statement. And we'll do int out. We need a char array. Genes. And then for each of these, 0, 1, 2, 3, yep, correct. For each of these we want we're still going to want to switch. But the case will be next 0 to 3. There we go. Case 0. Genes. is. Dot add. I know you can add to an array. That is the wrong keyword. Ah, right. I should have known that. That was easy. That was my fault. Alright, that gets an A. Doesn't like that. Unassigned local variable. New char. You like that better? You do. Excellent. Case 1. We can just copy that. And I did this wrong. There we go. There's a team. I believe. Yeah. Seam. G. Excellent. And then we want a case default. Oh, let's throw an error. I think we can do this. Spawn switch error. There we go. it that better? Cannot fall out of the switch. What does that mean? There we go. Let's see what this says. Alright, I have to break it. I gotta break it, right. There we go. Excellent. I want to do something. I know that there was a way to, in Visual Studio, you could go node, nope, or block section maybe? Of code. Region, that's what I was looking for. And then it is region. No, it's end region, sorry. And then we should be able to do that. Excellent. It also means that we can do this. That's what I like to see. Nice and readable. Life form unit and region. Yeah, I'm not sure why it's over there. That should allow that and that. That's much cleaner. Thank you very much. Glad I remembered that. Okay. So have we initialized everything? Age, gender, pregnant genes list. No, we have not. Might be a better idea to move this stuff down here. Yeah, there we go. New life. genes list equals genes. Doesn't like that. Oh, right, I have to add. There we go. Likes that. Much better. And then we can call these, I don't know, chromosomes, alleles, whatever. Maybe we'll call them alleles. That might make better sense. Yeah. There should be this. No, that's not what I need. That's what I need. Alleles. Apply. And then the genes will be the entire list. The alleles will be the gene. That'll help. Good. In size and complexity. Let's see. I don't need this whole thing. I probably don't need the switch either. And get rid of that. I think all I really need is the if statement. So if random dot next, and then we're gonna go 50% equals 1. So we don't need that, do we? Then we can have alleles I equals, oh, we'll do father dot genes list dot we're gonna have to get a the char list out of there. How do I want to do that? I'm not sure why that is up there. Huh. Alright, well, whatever. So now we have to find a way to test our spawner. And right now, we don't really have a very big list, so we could probably just throw a console command if we needed to. But I don't think that's going to work. Okay, let's see if we can build this. Oh, it let us build that. Okay. Interesting. Alright, now as I said, I've never done WPF before. So why don't we play with this a little bit. Here, why don't we see if I can change this. This is going to be our tester. Can resize, that's fine. Title, it's going to be test. Sweet. There we are. Alright, well, we can close these up. I don't need those anymore. At least not right now. We don't have anything on a grid. This is XAML, not CSS, so I'll have to remember that. I think these are... That's not a comment. I think these are those buttons. Because it looks like they're doing columns. So we do have... We initialize the window. Oh, right, we should comment these. I forgot. That's my bad. Oop, nope. There we are. Parent. Class. All life. I think that's fine. And then this one is... Nope, nope, don't do that. Spawning logic for life forms can be used to spawn all types sounds good to me. Save those two, get rid of them again. So how do we want to do this? Let's make a grid. Yeah, that's cool. come back over here. Let's try this then. Grid dot column definitions. Column definition width equals star. And I'm just reading off of a website. I don't know what this is going to do, but we will find out. And I can sort of guess. Let's see, width auto slash, because this is almost like CSS. It's pretty close. Width and another star. Uh-oh, I played with stuff and I shouldn't have, and oh no. Alright, why don't we just close that? Yep, there you go. Back to the way you were. Let's see what that does. Nothing. Which means we have to put in the... Right, we have to put in the bits and pieces that make it fancy. Alright, well, I'm not going to type all of that. That's just asking for trouble. So we're going to stick that right there. I'm going to save it. We're going to start it. And it's got... Alright, we're going to see if we can get rid of this. See what that does. Oh, nope, we need namespace MC. Oh. They're doing it. Okay. So these are namespaces then. So where's the bits that are up at the top there? Miscellaneous, maybe? Alright, what are they to begin with? Let's see. What are you guys? You are track focused element, display layout adorners, enable selection. Is it just for the debug? All right. Let us check this out then. So why don't we build this, rebuild. Thank you. Ah, yes, see, okay. So it's just for the debugging. That's all it is. That's good to know. So we can switch that back to debugging. There we are. So why don't we fiddle with the background color? Do we have a color picker in here, or am I gonna have to go online for that? We do have a color picker, excellent. So let's go with blue. Something like that. Can I just... Nope, okay. Copy that. Paste that. Interesting. So how do I get the panels? Huh. Yeah, there we go. So we need the same as this. We just need to do, wrong one. Grid dot row definitions. There we go. And then we want pretty much just that. But I'm going to grab it from another website, and we're going to do auto. Just want two. There we go. Row 1, row 2. Where's that? Oh, it's in the label. Excellent. Okay. So we're gonna do... we're gonna get rid of this. We don't need the grid splitter. Actually, we might need the grid splitter. I'll go with white. Oh, it already did white. Okay. Excellent. I'll switch all of you guys to black. And I want a couple more columns. Let's say we go 10 by 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. There we go. So this is gonna have to go away. Where's the other label? And I should be able to do background. No? Alright, now I know what I need to ask, so let's do this. No, we need grid. Initial color. Yeah, okay. Ah, there it is. So grid, it needs to be up here. No, no, stop it. Uh-oh. One forward. One too far. Background, yes. Equals. Layout. Oh, not layout. Appearance. No, not appearance. Black. There we go. Brush. It's under brush. Gotta remember that. Alright, that's cool. So how are we doing with this? We only got the one, huh? That's a shame. We're going to have to work on that then. Can we make this bigger? We can. Though that's not really what I want. Can we... Nope. That's what I want right there. Good. We don't need the grid splitter. No, get rid of that. What we do need is lines. Maybe we don't need a line. That's a possibility. We might be able to get by without one. So what does it look like? It's just a black... Right. I can resize it though, so that's good. Alright, so how do I spawn something? A circle. Image. Oh, goody goody. That's not what I want. Dynamic. Make a circle. There we go. That's exactly what I want. Alright, I think I can do this then. I'm not sure where I would put it though. Let's put it in here. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. We want to create 5. So we want ELLIPC. Critters equals new ellipse EL. And we want to do, we'll do pop. And we'll come up here and we'll make a constant. Int. Is that not how you make a constant? Do I have to do it in here? I bet I have to do it in here. Ah, of course. Int pop equals, we'll go with 5 right now. Good, 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 good. And then we need a for loop, int I equals 0, I less than pop, I plus plus. Oh goody, this is gonna be a good one here. So we're gonna grab this from the internet. We're going to change it to my stuff. Critters. Main canvas. So it's probably main window. Yep. Dot children. Not that funny, I promise you. No, that is obviously incorrect. Maybe it's tester unit? dot children. Alright, what is this meant to be? Where is main canvas created? I'm assuming it's whatever this is. Correct? Yeah. Common. Nope, that is not it. It is. No, it is common. Oh no, it is called tester. Okay. I did name it tester. Yes. Add child, I guess. And then critters. Alright, we're gonna go with something a little more visible, so probably yellow. Doesn't have yellow. What do you call it then? What does it have? Oh my, it has a lot. We'll go with gold. Gold works. All right. Is there a way I can circle with an image, a grid block? Maybe? That's not what I want. Programmatically. There we go. Let's see if this one works. Anyway, animate movement of an image's current location. This gets complicated. Damn. Alright, so I'm just going to have to do something like this. Each ellipse temp in critters I want to set canvas dot set left int position equals 0. Alright, so he's taking this. Where's he getting? That's his list of stuff. Just so you guys are all aware, this is what I'm using for figuring out what I'm doing here. And while I'm looking through this, he uses points as his list, which is equal to our critters. No, it's not. Oh. That's equal to this. So he's creating... We would have to spawn stuff for this. It looks like he's just doing an int array is what it looks like. So that's fine. It looks like I'm gonna need a position. curious if I could use a double for that. That might make things more interesting. Though this here looks like he's just doing some math. So I should be able to just math that out a little bit. So since these are just numbers, let's see if we can get the ellipsis to show up on the screen before we go adding the spawner in. Because that's going to make a mess. So we want position times 10 you might start position at 1. There we go. Position times 10 minus temp dot width divided by 2 for whatever reason. I guess we'll find out. And canvas set top temp position. We can just do this. Copy, paste. This needs to be height. And that should be good. Save that. Put this back in there. And then we want to test it. So let's see if that works. No. Content of a content control must be a single element. Is it not a single element? Alright. Tester. Add. Oh. Tester.child. So we're obviously doing something wrong there. Are we sure? Main window. Dot. Tester. Nope. Add. Nope. Children. No. It's because I don't have a canvas, maybe? All I have is a grid and a background. I don't know what I just did, but I don't like it. There we go. Oh. see. So can I just add this to grid? Dot add children. Nope. Add no. I get rid of this. That should fix that. Can we do a name? Yeah. We're gonna go playground. There we go. So what if we do this? Playground dot children dot add. That's what we want. Ha ha. Figuring stuff out. Let's try that. Oh, it worked. I have to make those bigger though. Alright, cancel that out. We're gonna make this into our 30. Or we're gonna make it into 10 times oh, I can't. So it's going to be 10 times the age. But in order to do that, I need to get the age. And that's going to be a big mess. So for now, why don't we just put age temp. Copy. Then we'll come up here, and we'll have int age temp we'll do a random. Next. Zero to 10. How did I do it over here? It's probably in this one, isn't it? Nope, it's up here. No, it is not up there. That's where I did it, okay. Ah, that's my problem. Random. Like that. Actually, we should probably do 1 to 11. Because we don't want it to be invisible. Okay. Oh, I never changed the position. Right. Okay. Position. That is my bad. Try that again. Can I do a random color? Oh, Google thinks I can. I can, but that's a little more in-depth than I need to go. So we'll do that later. So why are you not working? Let's find out. Right, we got one. Yeah. That's it? Just that one? Maybe we'll do 2 times here, see if that helps. And we'll move this down every time position increases instead. H temp is 10. Precision 1. Pop is 5. Alright, well, it is doing it. I would think I would be able to see it. Sneeze. Can I enable selection? We do have 5 ellipses. Can I see? I can. So this property should be at 10. But it's not. It's at 0. Why is it at 0? Oh, because it's minusing. Right. Alright, so what if I get rid of this? It doesn't need to fit, and that's just to make it fit. I hope that's just to make it fit. Continue. Yeah, we got through all 5. But apparently we didn't get... Oh, there we are. Yeah, that's 10. This one should be 20. Correct. Should be 30. 40. 50. Is there any way I can... Nope. What if I times this by 100? I don't need that. I know it's working. If that doesn't work, we'll do addition instead of multiplication, because I can just add the width and height. That didn't work. Okay. So let us add plus temp dot width plus temp dot height. We're also going to try this one. Plus 10. There we go. Why are they getting smaller? Alright, because it's random. That's my bad. Huh. Alright, well, let's put them all in their individual then. We'll do this ourselves. I need these, actually. And then we can get rid of those. Doop, 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 doop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One too many. Get rid of that. And then we need critters. Copy. I'm doing it dumb again. I'm doing it dumb again. Alright, we'll get rid of these. Those. Copy this. This will be 0, 0. This will be at... we'll go at 10 and 10. 2, 3, 4, 5. Two, 4, and I was 1 over again. And this one will go at 50. This one will go at 100. This one will go at 150. This one will go at 200. And now they should all be in different areas. Or not. Why not? Is that not the track? No, that's not the track, I guess. Yeah, their numbers are correct. Am I just being dumb? What's going on here? The render size is 625 by 437. So I know that it's big enough. What is 0, 0? Maybe that's my problem. Are these negative or positive? Okay, why don't we put this up to 500? This up to 650. Nope, oh, don't do that. Each grid is... Alright, so why don't we do height 1,000, and we'll do width 1,000. Now we know it's big enough. So each one should be 100 square. And we're doing these, they're quite small, so they should fit in just fine. Yes, they do. They fit in just fine. It doesn't show me what I want to see, but that's fine. That fits in just fine. If I made this one a negative, what would happen? Alright, I need to put another thing on here so that I can see exactly what it is I'm working with. Toolbox, give me something easy. Give me a label right there in the center. There we are. That should be roughly 0, 0, right? It is white, excellent. Those are correct. Text. Let's go with 24 point. So we can actually see it. Or not see it. Should be on top, right? Transform. Let's do centered. Stay centered. Good. What is the grid's z-index? The grid doesn't have a z-index. Alright, what about the label? So why don't you make you 1? I'm hoping 1 is coming out. No, it is not. Alright, what if we just get rid of the grid? Alright, there we go. Get rid of the grid. Excellent. We're going to pop this back down to 100 by 100. Ooh, that's really small. Maybe not. Try 720 by 1080. That look better? Oh, right. I need to switch these. So I need to have something for the things to spawn on. It's from what I can see. What kind of options do I have? I should have a canvas, right? I do have a canvas. Nope, not funny. Name equals play ground. There we go. Put this back in as playground. Parents. Good. Can I auto size this? No, I can make it relative, but I can't auto size it. That's fine. So switch this over to black. Save all. Where's the center? There's the center. Alright, let's go with 4 instead. 4. And we're gonna go at 25, 25, 25, 25, 25, 25, 25, 25. There we go. Save those. Let's see if that works. No, it does not. Why not? There should be the center, right? I want to play with that. Let's see. What does the set left do? Let's see what the method does. It's the value of the canvas dot left attached property to a given dependency. Alright, what does that do? Oh, it's not. It actually is position. I see. It is simply the offset. I don't want the offset. Apparently I'm doing this all wrong. Indeed. Alright, let's see if we can't find a something on WPF to get a dot to move around the screen. tutorial to get a circle to move around the window. Automatically move around the window. Maybe I shouldn't have done WPF. Maybe I'm using the wrong words. How to animate a circle. To move around. That's a little better. Animate a rectangle, move along a path in WPF. Yes, that's exactly what I want. Ooh. Boy, did I lose track of time. Sorry, folks. I'm going to have to cut this shorter than I expected. I hope you all enjoyed watching. I will continue working on this, though whether I will do that on stream or not, I have no idea. I hope you all see you all next time. We'll probably be doing some more Crusader Kings or something like that. I'm not sure. And I hope you all have a good day.